Have you ever thought why some objects slide fast on a ramp while others barely move? Let's break it down with a simple physics experiment. Starting from the first experiment, you can see a box on a ramp which has 30 degrees slope, and there is a high level of friction between the box and the ramp. So this friction acts like a braking force. So finally, when you release the box, you can see the box moves very slowly downwards due to high level of friction between the box and the ramp. Moving to the second experiment, now we smooth the surface of the ramp, which results in less friction between the ramp and the box. So with less friction, now you can see the box slides much faster. That is because there is less resistance holding the box back. Finally, we have the last experiment. So in this case, keeping the friction between the box and the ramp same, if the slope of the ramp is increased from 30 degrees to the 45 degrees, you can see the gravity pulls the box down more strongly, making the box move even faster. Finally, let's sum up these experiments. We can draw two conclusions from these experiments. One, the friction slows things down, while the steeper slopes speed them up. So if you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more fun physics.